What is the value of the expression 8 minus 2 times open parenthesis 8 minus 2 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's dive in and crush it together. In the first step, most people do 8 minus 2, which I have highlighted in yellow. So it becomes 6 times open parenthesis 8 minus 2 close parenthesis. In the next step, they calculate 8 minus 2 inside the parenthesis, which becomes 6 times 6. And finally, the answer becomes 36. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we need to follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We have to follow the order of operations I told you, step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression we have a subtraction sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because they have the highest priority than the other operations. So, we can write this expression as 8 minus 2 times 6. In the next step, we move on to multiplication, because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we'll write this expression as 8 minus 12. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to -4. Therefore, option A is the correct answer to this question.